Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the area of a trapezium. We're going to keep using that same type of thinking that we use to find out the area of parallelogram and triangle. So basically we're transforming a trapezium, which is an unfamiliar shape for us, to a familiar shape. In this case, I will use parallelogram. So let's define some terminologies. These two sides of a trapezium always have a pair of lengths that is parallel to each other. In this case, it's this one. Actually, the definition of trapezium is that a quadrilateral that has a pair of parallel lines. And look at this. This is thick. This is a parallel, so it's trapezium. And then the shorter line of the parallel lines is called the top line. No matter what shape it is in, even consider this trapezium, which shorter side, it's at the bottom, it's still called top line. This is still called the baseline. It's it, depends on the length, not the position. So somehow, and then the height is similar. The definition of the height in trapezium is similar to parallelogram. Is the line that joins these two parallel lines, and it's perpendicular from a right angle with the baseline or the top line. I mean, if it forms with one, it forms with the other one. Yeah, that's a characteristic of height. And this type of trapezium, look at this, look at this, has a right angle. It's called a right angle trapezium. And what you can notice is that in a right angle trapezium, this little length there is actually its height. Look at this. It forms a right angle. It joins these two sides and forms right angle with it. Height. So same as triangle. We can duplicate this trapezium. See, we duplicate it. I use dotted lines to represent this duplicated one and use blue markers to label it. You see? And then, what is this overall shape now? What is this entire chunk? It's a parallelogram. It's definitely correct. It's a parallelogram. Although it doesn't seem like to be, it is a parallelogram. Well, it's just because I'm bad at drawing, you know. Uh, what's the height of this parallelogram? It's the same as the height of the trapezium, isn't it? Yeah. And then, what's the baseline of the parallelogram? You can see it's the baseline plus the top line. So what's the formula for of the area of the parallelogram? A equals to BH, where B is the base length and H is the height. And it becomes A equals to what's B in this case? The baseline plus the top line, B plus L, T times the height. So H times B plus T, B plus T. And then we have two trapeziums forming this parallelogram. So in order to find the area of a single trapezium, we divide that by two. So we get this formula over there. The formula of the area of the trapezium, A equals to H times bracket T plus B over 2. Yes, smart. See you in the next video.